Hello friends, welcome to Mastery Tutorials. I am Apurv and in this video we are going to learn about structures, unions, size of operator and padding. We are taking a program in which I will be creating a structure and a union, and then we are going to find the size. I am also going to teach you about typedef operator. So let's begin. So guys, I am taking structure. To make a structure we need to use a keyword struct, then the name of our structure data1 curly braces. Now we need to define variables in our structure. What variables are there in the structure? I am taking here three variables, that is one integer, one character and a double. In structure we can define variables of different types. There is no boundations to us. So this is a structure definition. Make sure that there is a semicolon after the curly braces, otherwise it will generate a error. Now guys, I will be making a union. A union in declaration is similar to structure. We don't have to change anything except for the keyword struct. We need to use the keyword union. So I'll just copy paste the structure and change the variable names. I am still changing the name of the variables for you to avoid confusion, but you can keep them same. It won't change anything. I have written file1, file2. I have taken two variables of structure and union. Okay, there's structure written. I'll just change it later. You can just declare it after the curly brackets and before semicolon if you want to declare a structure or union, or you can just use the word data1 file1. So guys, there is the size of operator. Size of operator is used by size of keyword and round brackets, and inside the round brackets either you write the name of the structure or array or your integer variable name. I have written file1 and file2 so as to know the size of structure and the union. Okay, I think so everything is fine. I just have to change the structure of data2 I have written it instead of union. So my program, I guess, is correct. Now I'll run the program. As you can see, the size of structure is 16 and size of union is 8. So union size is 8 because of the largest data type that we have declared in the definition, which is of double. Double is of 8 bytes, and the structure data size is 16, which is not correct according to definition. Some books it's written that the structure data size is equal to the total data of the variables, and here we have integer a1, character b1, double d1, which is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is 13. I have also included two variables, that is integer, and still we have got another answer rather than the those which is defined by books. So this is due to the fact of padding in our memory allocation. So guys, on the screen you can see there are 4 banks and they are assigned like this on the basis of the bit size of our CPU. Suppose the integer is of size 4 bits, so we need and a bank size is 8 bit, that is a bank can store 8 bit at a time. So for storing integer we require 4 bits. So we stored the integer as the in bank 1, bank 2, bank 0 and bank 3, such that the processor, that is the data bus, can fetch the data in one cycle, which is only possible if we store the data that is in the multiple of 4. So this may be confusing, but if you uh, think about it, it's pretty simple, that if the data is not in the multiple of 4, it's gonna take 2 memory cycle for fetching a single variable. So this concept is used similarly in C, such that if it is different for different structures, that is, if you have assigned integer first then character and then double, it's different. And if you have assigned double then character and integer, it's different. And it also varies with the processor size. If you have 64-bit processor, then it's gonna take only one memory cycle to fetch a double, that is 8 bits. So you can go and google it for more understanding, but the reason behind this is padding. I just want you to know the terminology here, so you can understand it later. So guys, this is why our answer kept changing in every time I change the order of the variables. To decrease padding bytes, we need to assign the variables either in increasing order or decreasing order. This is how we can decrease the padding. So guys, this is about the uh, structure, sizeof and union. Now let's move to the typedef operator. You need to write this keyword typedef before any declaration. So here, typedef structure data1. Now it will run similarly. So why it is used is, now you have defined data1 as structure, that is, it is, you can declare any variable using data1. You can also write typedef character C. Now you can declare a variable av as C. It is similar to character C. It's pretty simple. You are just changing the name of the variable data type. You can say that instead of integer you can use I, instead of character you can use C, anything that you want to give your variable as a name. So this was for today. We are going to study some few more topics on C. Thank you.